Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of changing the gender of your character in Free Fire. Let's get started. First, open the Free Fire game on your mobile device. Once you're inside the game lobby, tap on the present icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will open the character customization menu. Here you can see some characters available, and please scroll or select from the list any character as your preferences. If desired, you can further customize your character's appearances by changing outfits and others as well. And that is it. Your character's new gender and appearance will be saved for future gameplay. If you want to turn this girl character into a boy again, then do the same and click on the boy character option and tap on the save or confirm button and go back to the game lobby. And this will again change your character's gender. By following this easy step, you can easily change the gender of your character in Free Fire. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more gaming tips and tutorials. Thank you.